I've been exploring the SuperQi app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the SuperQi app. SuperQi is a digital lifestyle super app designed primarily for users in Iraq, aiming to simplify daily financial transactions all in one place. Instead of juggling multiple apps for payments, transfers, bills, and shopping, SuperQi brings it all together, so you can pay bills, transfer money, shop, and even recharge your phone conveniently from your phone anytime, anywhere. In terms of features, SuperQi offers fast, secure money transfers between accounts, a handy scan-to-pay system using QR codes, and one-tap bill payments that keep things quick and hassle-free. It connects seamlessly with your MasterCard or Visa card, lets you manage your QI bank accounts, and supports a wide network of merchants across groceries, travel, and everyday essentials. The app also boasts strong security measures like full encryption and instant alerts for suspicious activity. Plus, it provides useful tools for tracking your spending and organizing your finances efficiently. From my personal experience, using SuperQi feels like having a personal financial assistant on my phone. Setting it up was straightforward, and the app's interface is clean and intuitive. Payments usually process quickly, and I like how easy it is to scan a QR code to pay without fumbling for cash or cards. Having so many services in one app saves a lot of time since I don't need to switch between different apps for banking, shopping, or bills. That said, the app occasionally asks for face authentication on every transaction, which can get a bit repetitive. I also noticed after a recent update, a few features were temporarily glitchy until they fixed them. On the downside, some users report issues like slow customer support and occasional delays after app updates. The required face authentication can feel annoying, especially if you do many small transfers. And while the app aims to cover a lot, it's mostly tailored to users in Iraq, so some functionalities might not apply elsewhere. All in all, SuperQi offers a robust, secure, and convenient all-in-one solution for managing your daily money needs if you're in Iraq. If you're looking for a single app that handles payments, transfers, and bills with a focus on security, it's definitely worth a try. Just be ready for a few minor quirks here and there. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.